Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to allow apps to ignore data saver on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So to do it, go to the settings, then go to connections. Now you can go to data usage and you'll see data saver here. Now you can click on that and then click on apps that can always use data, and now select the apps that you want to them to have the option to use data all the time, even in the background. So I'm gonna set something like something that I need to use the data. So for example, the WhatsApp, so I can always get the messages even if I have data saver on and I'm connected to mobile data. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.